Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about balance of nature reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then please watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and friends, this is a famous and herb based superfood market that is different from other vitamins and whole food pills. Guys, these herbal supplements have been manufactured in the United States. So you can take a look at the beautiful homepage of this website. Now guys, talking about the modes of payment. The modes of payment available on the website are Amex, Visa, Discover, MasterCard and Mastro. And when it comes to the shipping policy, customers can get their product within 3 to 5 business days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos, guys. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So talking about the HTTPS connection, this website is looking professional with a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign, guys. And when it comes to the domain name, the domain name was created on 29th of April 2002. And this is 18 years, 4 months and 5 days old, guys, which is a good sign and shows that this website is a legit website. Guys, let's take a look at the About Us section. So this is the About Us section, and here you'll find business establishment year, brand connection info and offerings info as well. So you can read the information for your knowledge and convenience. Guys, the prices are fair in terms of maintaining our health. This is again a good sign. And now let's take a look at the Contact Us section. So this is the Contact Us page. And guys, the company has located in St. George, Utah. And here you can find the customer care and health coaching information. Here is the customer care number and the email address is given, that is info@balanceofnature.com. Guys, this email address, it matches with the domain name, which is a good sign and shows that the website is a legit website. Now guys, talking about the social media presence, you can take a look at the various given social media icons. And this site has social media presence on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest and Instagram. This is again a good sign and shows that the website is a legitimate website. Now guys, talking about the return policy, the returns are acceptable within 30 days from the date of delivered item. And guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product because it will give benefit to other customers as well. And guys, if you want to see customer reviews, then just click the menu option button and you will find reviews category section. So here we found mixed reviews about the website. And guys, some customers are happy and satisfied with the product quality. And some customers do not like to shop from this platform. So this is again a drawback here. Guys, the favorable ones reviewed that they see a vast difference between their health after eating veggies and fruits capsules, and supplement is too good. While on the other hand, some users are not happy with the customer service and do not recommend at all. So, guys, this is the drawback that you need to focus on as well while making any online purchase. Guys, talking about the content and quality, it this seems authentic and real. And in the final conclusion, Balance of Nature website appears to be legit, but the customer reviews are a bit disappointing. Guys, it is highly recommend to explore the website well before ordering. And yes, the site is not a scam, but the reviews and ratings are mixed of positive and negative. So it's up to you guys. Just make a wise decision and do more research before placing any order. And guys, if you have ever scammed, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.